So let me tell you a little bit about the 4-H after-school program at Rains Intermediate in Emory, Texas. We started the program in the fall. We had about 125, 150 kids. We'd like to reach kids in ways that we can't reach them academically at school. Partnering with our local 4-H was really good for our school, for our students, our teachers, our parents, and our community. It's the enthusiasm that I see in the students' faces and their voices. Students who are typically disengaged at school. On a 4-H day, those kids are sitting in the cafeteria waiting for their snack and saying, "Ooh, I'm so glad it's 4-H. I love 4-H." We have a lot of talented kids who have a lot to offer us, and maybe they don't get to show off those talents and skills during the school day. So that maybe if we had an after-school program with 4-H, we could address how to become a better critical thinker, how to think outside the box, how to have a growth mindset and try something new. And when you're unsuccessful at it, you keep trying, you show grit. And so with that in mind, first we talked with the teachers about what they were passionate about that they didn't have time to teach during the school day. In the fall, we did it once a week, and from 3:30 to 5 for 8 weeks. The fall semester just really solidified how much our kids need this program, and they were very excited to sign up for the February dates, and we're doing those right now. I think the best part of the program, it's very rewarding to see the joy in their faces and to be able to give them something that they want, not just something that they need. That's what I love about 4-H.